Hi everyone, I'm Alex from Esch Construction Supply. As the busy season hits, nobody wants to be dealing with a broken down saw. That's why the best time to get your saw tuned up or repaired is in the off season. Today we're gonna go over a few benefits of why off-season repair saves you money, saves you downtime, and makes your workers safer. So Al, do you mind going over a few of the off-season repair benefits?
Yeah, of course. Thanks, Alex. So it's very imperative that you're planning in your off-season time to get these units in, repaired, and up to speed is very important. The first and most important one is to minimize downtime leading into the next season. To be fully prepared, you know, you're making your bed and you're going to have a really a smoother transition into the new season, especially with new operators, making sure that the equipment's running optimally. It's good to schedule into this time of year because we're very busy from December to April, and to pencil yourself into a good date helps get ahead of it as we get a large influx in demand for fleet season there. Another aspect is to kind of catch some of the smaller problems early with these cutoff saws, tampers, rammers, what have you. To catch the problems, issues earlier actually saves you much more money, just replacing smaller wearable parts versus entire motors, entire armatures, entire crankshafts, pretty much the whole kitchen sink. So it's good to do those smaller repairs versus paying for the larger ones later on. And another thing is that getting it in for our fleet season can actually help with preventative maintenance, such as tune-ups. We do a tune-up on every single unit that comes through here for fleet maintenance. A tune-up is just a simple way. Sometimes they're missed during this actual season. We've seen guys go 5 jobs even without a tune-up, and then it ends up breaking the saw. So we want to try to avoid stuff like that. And then the most important thing too is safety, is that our mechanics are professional certified mechanics through Steel and Husqvarna. They will go over a point checklist for safety points to make sure your guard, flanges, all of that stuff is working optimally for your operator's safety going into the next season.
Awesome. Yeah, I appreciate all that information, all very important reasons that you should be scheduling your off-season maintenance for your saws, rammers, any sort of equipment that you might not be using outside of your busy season. So make sure you're scheduling your off-season repair with Esch Construction Supply, whether it's your cutoff saw, rammer, or any piece of equipment that you're not using during your busy season, and make sure that you have your equipment tuned up and ready for your next busy season. Schedule your off-season repair below, and thanks for watching.